Skew lines are two such lines in space which are neither parallel to each other nor intersecting. The concept is to find the shortest distance between these two skew lines. Suppose the equation of line 1 is r equals to vector a1 plus lambda vector b1, while the equation of second line is r equals to a2 plus mu vector b2. First of all, we have to find a normal unit vector between these two lines, which will be b1 cross b2 over magnitude b1 cross b2. Now, the vector a2 minus a1 is one such vector which is along which is a vector along these two lines. So the shortest distance between these two lines can be known as the dot product of the vector along these two lines with the norm vector. So it will be this equation. It is the absolute value between the dot product of a2 minus a1 with the unit normal vector. Let's have an example on this concept. Suppose the equation of first line is 5i minus 2j plus 3k plus lambda 2i minus j plus k, while the equation of line 2 is r equals to 2i plus j plus k plus mu times I plus j plus 2k. Let's find the magnitude of b1 cross b2. It should be, the first row will be ijk, while the second row is the vector along the line 1, which is 2 minus 1 1, and third row is the vector along line 2, which is 1 1 2. So this answer is negative 2 minus 1 times I minus 4 minus 1 j plus 2 plus 1 k, or eventually minus 3i minus 3j plus 3k. Now the vector along these two lines is vector a2 minus a1. That will be difference between vector 2i plus j plus k and vector 5i minus 2j plus 3k, which comes out to be minus 3i plus 4j minus 2k. So the shortest distance between these two lines is the dot product between a2 minus a1 and cross product of b1 and b2 divided by the magnitude of vector b1 cross b2. Find it that it should be the absolute value, so we put a modular sign along with it. Now the dot product between minus 3i plus 4j minus 2k and minus 3i minus 3j plus 3k to be calculated, and in denominator we will have the magnitude of the vector b1 cross b2, which is going to be square of minus 3 plus square of minus 3 plus square of 3, and it should be its absolute value. So the dot product is The value comes out to be 9 minus 12 minus 6 divided by 9 plus 9, root of 9 plus 9 plus 9, and we have to find the absolute value. So the numerator is minus 9 and the denominator is square root of 27, absolute value. So it will be 9 over 3 root 3, or 3 over root 3 units, which may be rewritten as root 3 units, which is the shortest distance between these two lines. Generally speaking, suppose the equation of two lines is vector r equals to a1 vector a1 plus lambda vector b1, and the equation of line 2 is vector r equals to vector a2 plus mu vector b2, such that the vector a1 is, suppose, a1i plus a2j plus a3k, while vector a2 is a4i plus a5j plus a6k, while vector b1 is, say, vector equivalent to b1i plus b2j plus b3k, and suppose vector b2 is b4i plus b5j plus b6k. So simply vector a2 minus a1, which is the vector along these two skew lines, is a4 minus a1i plus a5 minus a2j plus a6 minus a3k, while vector b1 cross vector b2 is the expansion of determinant with first row as ijk, second row as b1, b2, b3, the coefficient of vector b1, and third row is the coefficients of vector b2, which are b4, b5, b6. If we gonna find the dot product between vector a2 minus a1 with the cross product of vector b1 and b2, it will be the solution of expansion of this determinant, that is a4 minus a1, a5 minus a2, and a6 minus a3 in first row, while the second row will be b1, b2, b3, and the third row is b4, b5, b6. So it can be generalized that the numerator will be the solution of this vector, while the denominator is the magnitude of vector b1 cross b2, which can be obtained from here.